Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from DasherDirect to Apple Pay. To transfer money from DasherDirect, we need the card, the DasherDirect card. Once we have this card, we need the details of this card, of the card. Okay? Uh, when we have all the details about this card, we're gonna open our Apple Pay app and then we're gonna click this button right here. Once we click this button in this area, we're gonna select this one. Okay, we're gonna select this one, debit or credit card, and then in this section we're gonna add our name and our card number. The card number need is the card or is the card number of Dasher Direct card. Okay, you need to add this number right here, and there you go. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.